Hey, Tim from iRepair here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use your phone as a remote for your computer. So let's just get right into it. Let's make this webcam a little bit smaller here. Let's just move to the corner here. Alright, so you go into the App Store, and on this application, in the top right corner, there's a keyboard button. You click on it, and then let's just type in Mouse Pro. Put the keyboard down, and then Remote Mouse Pro. And as you can see, I really am controlling it, and you hold down to click. So this is the one that you're gonna want by RPA, and you get it on your iPhone as well. It does cost money, but it works like a charm. Make sure to get the same one by RPA Tech. Once you open up the application, you're gonna see it in your menu bar. It's going to be right here. You open it up on your phone, and you just begin using it. That's basically it. Thank you all for watching. Peace.